Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing a special product. This is one of my favorite companies of all time. It is E.L.F. E.L.F. brand cosmetics, and they're actually partnering with me today. I love their skincare line. I love their eyebrow pencils. I love everything about them, and they have sent me their E.L.F. Finish foundation. It is in the shade Porcelain because my skin is just so pasty white. I have to get the lightest shade in basically everything, and it's obnoxious. But yeah, I'm going to try this out and see how it works. So, it's a thick consistency. It looks like it's going to have good coverage. Providing really nice coverage. And voila, here we are. So it feels really light on my skin. It's not cakey at all. I really like that. It's a little shiny. I would probably recommend a powder with it, especially if you're out in the summer or live in Florida like I do. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. I will let you guys know next week on how it lasts with going out in the Florida sun. But until then, if you would like to shop E.L.F., I would like to thank them again for sponsoring this video and providing me with this foundation to try out for you all. If you would like to purchase any of their skincare line, you can use my code ASH15 at elf.com and get 15% off. So everyone likes a savings, right? But here you are. This is the E.L.F. in porcelain. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next week.